Hello, my name is Amaryllis and I will show you how you can make a lantern reusing a plastic bottle. Take a clean bottle and remove the label. Remove the bottleneck using a utility knife. Keep the bottle bottom to make your lantern. Cut a piece of paper large enough so you can wrap it around the bottle. The height of the paper must be the same as the plastic bottle. To make the lantern, you will have to cut shape out of the paper. I made a few geometrical designs that you can download for free on my blog. You can find the link to download them in the video description. You can also choose to create any other shape you like. Once you decide the shape you want to make, center the template on the paper. Use small pieces of masking tape to fix the template on the paper so it doesn't move around when you cut. With a utility knife, cut out the shape. You can use yourself with a ruler for the straight lines. Be sure that you cut both layers of paper. You have to cut the template and the lantern paper. So far so good. I have 2 layers of paper. I will keep cutting the other shapes. Once you are done cutting the shape, remove the masking tape and remove the template sheet. And this is how the shapes must look like at this point. As you don't want to see the plastic bottle through the shapes, you will have to glue tracing paper on the back. So flip the paper and place the tracing paper on the back. Cut a piece of tracing paper large enough to cover the shape. Add glue around the shapes. You also have to add glue in the little spaces between the shapes. And glue the tracing paper over the shapes. And this is how it must look like right now. Last thing to do is to wrap the paper around the plastic bottle. Fix both edges of the paper with glue. Place wireless cord light inside of the lantern and done. Now I will show you how you can add color into your lantern. I will use the Christmas tree shape, which is also available as a free download, and you can find the link in the description. I reported the shape of the Christmas tree on my tracing paper, and using Sharpie I will color the star and the 3 Christmas ornaments. Now that I'm done adding colors, I will glue the tracing paper on the back of the Christmas tree shape, just like I did previously. I just wanted to show you that using Sharpies you can add colors to your lanterns if it's something you like to do. Look at this cute Christmas tree. And again, wrap and glue the paper around the bottle to make your lantern. Thank you for crafting with me. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.